Hi everyone, I'm Sunny Sky. Welcome to beautiful Treasure Island, the sand capital of Florida. I'm so excited to be here today at the Sanding Ovations event. Since last year, Hurricanes Helene and Milton destroyed our beautiful beaches. They have now since been restored with beautiful, clean, white, powdery sand. Come see our beaches come to life as you see master sand sculptors with piles of sand and buckets of water creating outstanding works of art. Now this event is scheduled for November 20th through the 23rd. And if you miss out this weekend, don't worry, because they've extended it out for another weekend for you to enjoy on the 29th and the 30th. Now, this event features vendors, food courts, beer gardens, live music, kite flying, and fireworks this Saturday on the beach. So come on, let's go have some fun. Thank you for coming with me on this event today, and I hope you enjoyed it. Please give my video some love with a like and subscribe, and even some sharing love. For more information on this event, check out the description box below. Thank you for watching, Sunny in Florida. Bye-bye.